everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make words appear one by one using masks in CapCut PC. Let's get started. First, go to the Text tab and add the default text to the timeline. Enter the text you want and customize the text style as needed. Right-click to create a compound clip. Next, go to the video mask and choose Mirror. Move the compound clip slightly to the right on the timeline. Play the cursor forward and then click Split to divide the compound clip into sections based on the number of words. Click on the first section, go to the video mask, adjust the mask size and position to reveal the first word. Click on the second section, go to video mask, and adjust the mask size and position to show both words. Continue this process for each section to reveal the words one by one. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.